In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design travel ad poster in Canva, 5 minutes. Let's jump straight in. Open Canva and sign in so you're on the home page. We're going to create a polished, eye-catching travel ad that works for print or social media. In the search bar at the top, type poster or travel poster. This will surface ready-made layouts in the correct size, which saves time and helps you start with balanced spacing and typography. If nothing fits your vision, you can also open a blank poster and build it from scratch, but templates are great for speeding up your workflow. Once you're in the editor, begin by choosing a stunning background. Think about the feeling you want your audience to have: tropical warmth, alpine serenity, or urban adventure. A full bleed photo looks bold and immersive, while a soft gradient can give you more room for text. Keep the center area uncluttered so your headline is easy to read. If your background is busy, we'll add overlays in a moment to improve contrast. For imagery, you can use Canva's built-in stock photos or upload your own high-quality travel images. Drag your selected image onto the canvas, and if you want it to fill the page, drop it until you see it snap in as a background. Look for crisp, high-resolution photos with a clear subject and good lighting. This will instantly raise the perceived quality of your ad. To frame your design, add tasteful elements like leafy borders, soft gradients, or subtle shapes from the Elements panel. These act like visual guides, drawing attention toward your headline or offer. Adjust transparency so they support, not compete with, the main photo. Align these accents with the edges and keep a comfortable margin so the design feels clean and intentional. Now sprinkle in travel-themed graphics that reinforce your message. Search the Elements panel for icons and illustrations that match your brand style. Keeping a consistent style, either all line icons or all solid shapes, helps the poster feel cohesive. Stick to 2 or 3 accent colors that complement your background photo. Refine your search with terms like airplane, location pin, compass, or world map. Resize and place these as accents near headlines or callouts. Use color to create hierarchy and avoid overcrowding. A few well-placed graphics are more effective than a busy collage. If you're working with cutout visuals like a floating island or a vehicle, use Canva's background remover. Select the image, open Edit Photo, and apply background remover. Clean up edges with the erase and restore brushes for a professional finish. This lets you layer objects creatively without messy outlines. It's time to write compelling text. Start with a clear, bold headline that captures the destination or the promise, then a short supporting line, and a strong call to action. Keep it scannable. Travelers should understand the offer at a glance. Add text boxes for your destination, deals, or tagline. Pair fonts thoughtfully, one for the headline, one for body text, and maintain contrast so everything is readable over the background. If needed, place a semi-transparent rectangle behind text or apply a slight photo darken effect to boost legibility. Adjust line spacing and letter spacing until it looks balanced. Next, refine the composition through layering and positioning. Use the position controls to align elements and create a clean visual flow. Place your headline where the eye naturally rests, often the upper third, and tuck secondary details lower on the page. Use the layer order to send certain visuals backward, like an airplane behind a headline or a map behind a gradient. This adds depth without clutter. Nudge elements with the arrow keys for precise placement, and step back occasionally to check balance and spacing. Add your branding and contact info near the bottom or in a neat corner. Include your logo, website, social handle, or a QR code that links to your booking page. Keep this small but legible, and make sure it's aligned and consistent with your brand colors. The goal is easy follow through without overwhelming the main message. When you're happy with the design, it's time to download and share. For print, choose PDF print for the highest quality and add crop marks and bleed if your printer requires them. For social media or digital sharing, export as PNG or JPG. Select an appropriate size for the platform you're posting on to keep everything sharp. And that's it, an attractive, effective travel ad poster in just a few focused steps. With a strong background, cohesive graphics, clear text hierarchy, thoughtful layering, and clean branding, your design will look polished and ready to inspire the next trip. Save a copy as a template so you can swap destinations or offers quickly for future campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.